In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill form for Canadian passport for a newborn. To begin, make sure you are using the correct application form. If you are applying from inside Canada, use the Child General Passport application for Canadians under 16 years of age, which is form PPTC 155. If you are applying from outside Canada, use the Child Passport application for Canadians under 16 applying abroad, which is form PPTC 042. Using the right form from the start helps avoid delays and makes the process much smoother. When you start filling out the application, the first section is your child's information. Enter your newborn's details exactly as they appear on the Canadian birth certificate or citizenship certificate. This is very important because even a small difference in spelling, order of names, or dates can cause problems during processing. Since this is a newborn application, your child does not sign the form. Next, complete the sections for the applicant and proof of parentage. This is where you provide the parent or guardian information along with the relationship to the child. Be sure the details are complete and accurate. In general, both parents are expected to participate in the application and sign where required, so review the form carefully before submitting it. If there are any custody or legal guardianship considerations, make sure the information matches your supporting documents. After that, move on to the references section. You'll need to provide 2 references. These references must not be related to you or to the other parent. Choose people who know you well enough to confirm your identity and who can be contacted if needed. It's a good idea to let them know in advance that you are listing them on the application. You will also need to complete the guarantor declaration. Your guarantor must be at least 18 years old, must have known you personally for at least 2 years, and must hold a valid Canadian passport. The guarantor also needs to sign the back of one of the child's passport photos, so it helps to arrange this before you submit everything. Finally, gather all supporting documents. You will need the child's original proof of Canadian citizenship, such as a provincial birth certificate or citizenship certificate. You'll also need valid identification for both parents, proof of parentage or legal custody if applicable, and 2 identical passport photos taken by a professional studio within the last 6 months. Before sending the application, take a few extra minutes to review every section carefully, double-check names, dates, signatures, and documents so your newborn's passport application can be processed as smoothly as possible.